Hey, everybody. Good evening to you. It is Thursday evening. It's about 10 to 7, and we have seen significant showers and thunderstorms moving, particularly through Cass County. I-49 this afternoon for about the last 3 hours was a mess. Numerous cars off the roadway and just general slow going for traffic out there. Looking right now, I-49 southbound, so we're looking north just before 291. And yeah, wow. Things are back moving. I've been up and down all I-49 now as we approach the 7 p.m. hour. I think everything is back together. So what an afternoon for some of these showers and thunderstorms. Let's go ahead and look at current radar right now. I'll go ahead and put this in motion. You can see storms moving off to the east, but you can tell exactly where this boundary is. Our forecast is right on track. If you were with me this morning, this is exactly what we expect. So right now, the strongest thunderstorms are over here around the Marshall area, and you can see outlined in green here. We do have a flash flood warning for the next 5 hours. This is going to go until just after midnight, 12:15 a.m. for Saline, Carroll, Chariton, Lafayette, and southeastern Ray County in west central Missouri. And this is because of these significant rainfall factors that we have. So we have numerous factors here. We have this boundary that is stalled out, but precipitable water values are unusually high. I was reading some forecast data this afternoon suggesting that this type of rain event for this point in the year only happens somewhere between every 5 and 10 years, depending what data that you consult. The greatest body of data suggesting this is like a once in 5 year event for these significant rain amounts. And so we may have some areas north of 5 inches of rain up to possibly 9 inches of rain are possible. A widespread 3 inches of rain. So this is a concern because of how much the soil can hold. We've already had significant rainfall, but again, that 3 inches of rainfall possible at least, I think we will see this afternoon, but it's the short amount of time. It's possibly around an hour. So let's go ahead and look at some of the swath of where we have seen rainfall today. So it looks like the heaviest amounts have been just to the northeast of Eureka, down here around Hamilton, has gone through Burlington, Garnett. And so here is where we came right into Cass County, over here in Osawatomie, Paola, over in Miami County, Kansas, and gone right through now over towards the Marshall area. So that is where our boundary is draped across, and that is what we are seeing right now. So what happens later on this evening, I want to point out first before we go overhead and look at data, we do have a mesoscale discussion picking up mostly over here on the Kansas side, but this really encapsulates our forecast, saying that rainfall rates could reach up to 2 to 3 inches an hour at times. We've already seen that. And of course, the flash flooding danger that is possible with that. So as we go through the evening, we have had some estimations by radar of up to 2 inches per hour and a few pockets of 15-minute rainfall above 3/4 of an inch, which suggest at least 3 inches of an hour rates are already ongoing. That with the system that has moved through. So right now, before we let the radar go, we're seeing a strong thunderstorm over here with heavy rainfall in the Hamilton, Kansas area. And again, all this activity pushing off to the north and northeast. So the good news is this boundary will push off to the north, but let's go ahead and see what happens through the rest of the evening. So again, right on track with our forecast data. I think as we go, I have this pulled up to the 7 p.m. hour now. So as we go through 8, 9, and 10, that pocket of thunderstorms that was down there in southeast Kansas, this is going to move along the I-35 corridor there. And so about 11 o'clock tonight, I see showers in Ottawa, stretching really from Madison, Burlington, all the way over here to Paola. So I think it will pick up again between the 69 and I-49 corridors. Again, this is between 11 p.m. and midnight, and we have heavy thunderstorms all over this part of the region. So this particular cluster moving off now, this is midnight. And so I think between 11 and midnight, again, Kansas City proper does see a heavy, relatively slow moving thunderstorm. Again, we will watch out for those significant rainfall amounts. As we move through the evening, it really is just more of the same. Storms continue to fire along this boundary. So I'm up to 4 a.m. now that looks like another significant wave of thunderstorms will find Kansas City here, moving between really Manhattan and Kansas City for significant thunderstorm activity. So let's go up to our early morning hour and see what we might be facing for Friday morning. Here is 7 a.m. So I want to give a heads up to this because I do still see hopefully the last of this wave of thunderstorms working through the 69 and 49 corridors. Again, this would be commute time for lots of folks. There's 6 a.m., here's 7 a.m. that I see thunderstorms, Paola, Lewisburg, Freeman, down to Drexel, all the way over towards Warrensburg, as it looks like this particular cluster will originate south of I-70. So there as we go until 8 and 9 a.m., before we finally get to be finished up with these significant thunderstorms. So this is what we have once again outside right now. I do expect this to continue. If you guys are in Archie, Adrian, all the way up to Harrisonville, you do have clustered thunderstorms once again off to your west, just getting ready to push through. And I do expect this activity to continue on and off through about 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So that is what I see out there right now. I will